Are you a fond hodler of Tezos? XTZ, guys. We're looking at Tezos in this video, actually. I remember trading this coin back in the day. The volatility was insane, and I think we will still see that particular volatility in the future for this coin. So, on the day for Tezos, we are up by 5%. The overall last week, good pump from 0.64 bottom up to a 0.74 top. So that's a 10 cents pump from that range right there. Looks pretty good. On the month, very stable, consolidative, kind of following the trajectory of Bitcoin, we can see. On the year, of course, the price is still slashed by 50%. So $672 million market capital. If we look at the previous market cap all-time high for this token, we can see it came up to 6.88 billion. If we get back there, that reflects a 10x. Now, for you hodlers out there, remember, there is a max supply that is just infinite according to this. So I don't know what the tokenomic supply injection is for this token, but I'm still rather bullish on the future for it. So Tezos is a self-upgradable and energy efficient proof of stake blockchain designed to evolve, built to empower. So this is one of the OG cryptos that was going crazy back in the day, and it's already on Binance, Coinbase, BitHum, all the major tier 1 exchanges, because it's already done its thing, right? It's already done its euphoric tops, it's already built its community, which is great to see, sitting at 458k followers and such. But what can we really see from this coin? Go away. So currently we're sitting at like 70 cents, right, for this token. You can see by 2024, this website here predicts $1.55. So can you actually become wealthy by holding Tezos? I think we're really in a market where if you just shut your eyes, not financial advice, went on CoinMarketCap and just picked 10 different things with literally no logic attached to it, I think we're just in a market, a position, an undervaluation phase on that 200-week moving average for Bitcoin, in that undervaluation phase, where you're probably likely to make money on almost anything in this market right now. So if you just hodl for long enough. So 2025, we can see $2.76, decent prediction. 2026, $2.22. So we're seeing them believe that 2025 would be the major bull run. Then we're going to have 2029 as the next bull run. So this is like 4-year traditional cycles at $3.34, which is around a 5x from the current price. So they don't believe more than a 5x could happen for this coin again. And it is an interesting one to look at, really. When we look at this, what this particular rectangle here is, that I'm going to change to yellow. Why this is such an important rectangle is because we can see right here from March 2020, guys. I'm just going to get my little brush. This right here, March 2020, we had this major dip and buyback and consolidation. That was COVID. So this is what COVID did to Tezos. It made it drop from $3.90 down to $1. That's outrageous, like a 70 to 80% crash in a day. If you managed to buy that dip, you would have made a huge run up to a recovery of $3.37 again in a few months' time, which is just insane, to be fair. So you'd have made crazy gains out buying COVID, but it does now represent itself as a very, very major area of resistance, which would offer 110% gains. So we can see what's happening with this coin. It is trading in a major descending channel. Previously, it was in a major ascending channel. And now we can see we're in this big descending channel here, where we've got declining resistance levels, but also declining support levels here. So it's still possible to see this price go lower. I do not think we will see the next support region down here. I think these are pretty much untouchable levels now for Tezos. I don't think this support region will ever be met, but I do think this is potentially a good area to start dollar cost averaging into coins like Tezos. So what could happen if it does a 10x from here in terms of the market capital? Because we can see it's got currently $675 million market cap. So if it did a 10x of 6.75 billion and the supply stayed the same, we would see effectively a $7 Tezos. So that would be getting back to its previous market capital all-time high. So remember, this is a market capital all-time high, which effectively is the metric you want to be looking at. But because there are more tokens in supply, even though previously the same market capital was here, you're now seeing the same market capital, the same market capital valuation giving each unit cost of token a $2 price difference. So before, you could argue that $7 billion valuation would lead to a token price of $9. Now, if it were to happen at the current supply that is in circulation, you would see a $7. So what happens if in 2 years more supply is released? Okay, if you want that 10x on market capital, if you want to get back to that next market capital objective of 7 billion, again, you might look at diminished returns once again. So more realistically, by 2025, should the supply keep increasing the way it does, if you're looking at a 10x on the market capital, you're actually only looking at a 6.5x on the unit price of the token. So remember that as the supply goes up, even if you get back to the previous all-time high on the market capitalization, each unit cost per token is gonna be lower. So they are offsetting each other, it's counteracting each other. It makes it difficult unless it's a deflationary token, which helps the value of the price go up. Of course, if it's inflationary like this one, you're going to see it keep on going down, 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 down. So that's my thoughts for this coin. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, very juicy pump. Obviously, we're in a crazy resistance range right now. 0.64 time and time again has proven itself to be a good area to sort of be buying into. But it does actually look like we're starting to see a bit of a breakout here for Tezos and a retest of this resistance. So retesting a critical resistance of 69 cents. Loads of buybacks at 62, 63, 64, 65 would be the next, pattern according to this. So really this is a major sort of bear flag. Hopefully we do not see some negative continuation to the downside. So guys, if you're looking also to unlock trading signals, do check out the jacobcrypobury Patreon, where we have all the packages where you can unlock a bunch of trading signals, become a crypto legend, become a crypto champion, and basically in the Discord down below you will unlock all of these juicy trading signals, and that provides over 600 trading signals per month, which is really, really crazy. So in my Discord down below, the link to the Discord, Patreon link down below as well. If you want to unlock over 600 trading signals, as well as workshops, live streams, education, and more, please do check out the Patreon page, which we're really working hard on putting together at the moment. Take advantage also of the upcoming volatility, and basically just make sure you sign up to this exchange. MEXC, no KYC required. Big bonuses could be waiting for you upon sign up. So take advantage of the trading signals in the Discord. Use the MEXC to do your future trading on the side, deposit money, and have fun, hopefully trading and making some good gains there on the side. Crypto markets, how do they feel at the moment? Well, mixed emotions. The markets don't know how to feel. Consumers and retailers are still confused. We don't know whether to be bullish because of the war, even though it's October, which is really usually a good month. Q4 is good for crypto usually, but we don't know whether to be kind of like bearish right now. So it's a very, very interesting mixed emotions at the moment. What else is hot in the markets? Well, Bitcoin Mine Tricks is a very hot looking pre-sale right now. This is tokenizing Bitcoin cloud mining. Now remember, this is not financial advice. We have seen recently some good gains from pre-sales. However, they are volatile. They are fun though. So if you're looking for a short-term, sort of high risk, high reward overall opportunity, this pre-sale could be decent. So Bitcoin Mine Tricks stake tokens, mine Bitcoin. Look at that, we've got some massive rewards, up to 675% per annum on the staking side, but you can also mine to stake at the same time. So this is a pre-sale that is not yet public. One Bitcoin Mine Tricks token is $0.011. I personally predict a 3 to 5x for this token by the end of 2023, should it launch this year. But yeah, $882,000. There's quite a lot of momentum there. So Bitcoin Mine Tricks is a tokenized cloud mining platform that allows everyday people to mine Bitcoin in a decentralized fashion. The Bitcoin Mine Tricks solution, allowing people with normal kind of lives to start mining without the requirement of huge farms and massive quantities of hardware, which is very, kind of expensive, right? So it looks good dashboard as well. We've also got a $30,000 giveaway, so if you want to join that one, there's a link down below if you want to research this project or even buy some tokens. That's completely up to you. Remember, this is not financial advice, but it could be a good one. I've already put $2,000 in this one, just like the Wall Street Memes token. I made money in that one, and I hope to make money in this Bitcoin Mine Tricks, which is a relentless marketing force, and they will soon update the website with a team, so they will be KYC'd and doxed. That is bullish in my opinion, because there's nowhere to run or hide if we do something wrong after that. Overall, Bitcoin is still in a buy zone, so it's still in an accumulation zone where it's effectively, it wouldn't be nonsensical to be buying Bitcoin and cryptocurrency at these levels according to these indicators like this. Sometimes simplicity is just key. Bitcoin is 27.6k at the moment, which is also a fairly decent price considering the tension in the economies, the geopolitical crisis that we are now seeing with Palestine and Israel, and 27.6 is quite a treat. I think next bull run, maybe 120 to 160k tops, but we might only see 100k. So we don't know the future, of course. That's why it's good to diversify your portfolio in the sense that it is usually good to go through CoinMarketCap, explore the top 100 to 200 tokens, because if we go there, let's do it together right now on screen. Yeah, me and you, we're on a journey. Yeah, you can see these top 100 to 200 tokens, they have relatively low market caps. Wow, Pancake Swap's down here. Flare, Loom. So these ones here are really the coins that could go crazy in the bull markets as well. Like Kasama, look for your layer 1 blockchains, infrastructure tokens within this section. There's a good chance they could do quite well. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you are new here, get yourself into the Jacob Crypobury Discord. Come say hi. We've got a fantastic community going on. People are happy. And overall, we just want to keep on changing lives in the crypto space, building a community, and just making good or bad situations and trying to be always positive in this bear market. So check out the Bitcoin Mind Tricks too. Give them a bit of love. Click the link down below if you want to research that token. And of course, I ask for one thing and one thing only, and that's subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Stay crypto safe. Peace.